How to turn off or exit the voiceover mode on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, tap on settings once and then double tap on it, and then on the main settings page, swipe up with three fingers and then tap on accessibility once and then double tap on it. Now tap on voiceover and then double tap, and then tap on this voiceover button once and then double tap, and after that the voiceover will be turned off. So that's how you can turn off or exit voiceover mode on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.